Welcome back, guys. So my friend is gonna hook me up with the fire here if she can start it. We did order sprockets and chain for our bike. So this is where the chain hit. It broke this piece.
Not gonna play, oh no, I ain't like that. Fuck him, I'm a wildcat. Baby, break my heart, give me all you got. Don't ask why, don't be shy. Is it love or lust? I can't get enough. Don't ask why, don't be shy.
Come on. If you push from the other side, just take it out. Not to forget about this piece. Take it off. There's a slot. You can just pull it out. You'll have to put in some effort. This should come right off. The flat side is gonna go on the bottom, and this side will come up. One last check.
Not gonna play, oh no, I ain't like that. Fuck him, I'm a wildcat. Baby, break my heart, give me all you got. Don't ask why, don't be shy.
Not bad.
Is it love or
Are going right to the stop.
don't ask why, don't be shy. La 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 la.
Time to start working on the chain.
Beautiful.